Hi there, and welcome to the official YouTube of Illinois Engineering. Here, you can find exciting and informative videos pertaining to the many projects and more taking place within the department. Not only do we want to keep you updated on what's happening here, but we want to keep you engaged with these exciting projects, allowing you to learn and share something too. Here at Illinois, we are constantly working to solve the most important challenges in the 21st century. Illinois Engineering is ranked as the 6th best program in the nation by U.S. News & World Report and includes 15 top 5 ranked degree programs within it. With 50% of undergraduates participating in research projects across campus, there are plenty of opportunities to get right to work changing the world for the better. Here at Illinois Engineering, we are truly doing the impossible every day.